Ready to take your business to the next level? Let's dive into the world of digital marketing with Digital Pulse. Imagine reaching thousands of potential customers with just a few clicks. That's the power of digital marketing. From social media ads to email campaigns, these tools can skyrocket your business growth. With Digital Pulse, you'll learn the latest strategies to stay ahead of the competition. It's all about targeting the right audience, crafting compelling content, and analyzing data to fine-tune your approach. Don't just follow the trends. Set them. Digital Pulse provides you with insider tips and actionable insights to turn your marketing plan from good to phenomenal. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Digital Pulse is your go-to source for digital marketing mastery. Subscribe now and start transforming your business today. Remember, the digital world is constantly evolving. Stay ahead with Digital Pulse. Let's make your marketing efforts shine brighter than ever before.